Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA obviously formed here a lower high and could have topped in this E wave of the triangle. So this is absolutely a likely scenario. As I shared with you already a few days ago, we have a chance here to form easily one more low. To have a valid lower low, we need to see a break in white wave 5 of C below the, let's say 40 cent level, yeah? The 13th of April low. However, we need first of all to believe that the white count is playing out, or at least, it's a triangle count. So it takes a break to the downside below the low of the B wave to confirm it. We already broke below the D wave low, but that's always only a first indication that the triangle is breaking out. Best confirmation is a break below the B wave low. And here we talk about 41.9 cents. This level is not broken, and we haven't even broken below the micro support area. So yeah, I don't know. It looks as if it might get another low, but we need a breakout. It's possible it forms a truncation, okay? But yeah, this does not look like the move up in wave C of 3, absolutely not. So in the best case, the B wave bottomed here, but then the C wave would need to start now. And as I said to you in the last few days, another low is highly likely, especially until we break above, first of all, 51 cents, which is the swing high from the 21st of May, and 52.2 cents, which is the swing high from the 22nd of April. Very, very important. Need a break above it in order to rally in wave C of 3. And that would be the signal that wave C is unfolding. As you know, we've got this, I'm not sure if you know, but if you followed previous videos, you should know. There's the white count that allows for one more low. However, within an overall bullish scenario of a still unfolding wave 2 correction, then the third wave rally could start from there. And support here would be between 38 cents and 36.3. If we get one more low, then it would be wave 5 of C of 2. But, this is a full triangle. It's a full triangle. It actually looks quite good, but triangles have become so unreliable, especially in this cycle. Not sure what it is, but that might change at some point. But yeah, what you would normally want to see when a triangle is completed, a rapid move to the opposite side of the E wave. Now, you could say this is exactly what's happening. However, it hasn't broken out. So a break below the D wave low, as I said, is a first indication. Break below the B wave low is a better confirmation, and then we could move down to 36 to 38 cents next. And then I don't really want to see more than one more low. So I don't want to see more than one more low. One more low should be it. Anything that goes below that, yeah, to be honest, this should just get to 36 cents. Anything below that would make me a little bit nervous, because there's literally then only one fib level left, which is going to be at 29 cents. And that is the key bullish support for this wave 2 correction. Really, we want it to avoid, break below that really. We want it to avoid break below that. 36 cents, it's okay. Going below that, it's okay. 29 cents, obviously here probabilities already start to, reduce for the bullish case, because we're maxing out our support zone. But it's just that typically a wave 2 wouldn't break below it. But, we can talk about this. There's still a range movement, still range bound. The potential was there for an E wave top. The risk was high at this point. We have support area. The risk is lower here. We rallied out of support. We had the white count, which suggested there's a key pivot here. The price could top in an E wave, and it sold off quite strongly from around 49 cents down to 42.5. But now it's been it's still holding, so it hasn't broken down. It looks incomplete, might get one more low, and then we'll see what happens. It's as I said, the levels count. So a break below 41.9 cents, if sustained, should send us into that lower support area. And then if it does a U-turn from here, a break above today's or yesterday's high at 49 cents, would then most likely lead to a test of 51, then 52.2, and then we can follow the orange count. The orange count is so important because only if I get 5 waves up, yeah, I can say to you that we have most likely bottomed in wave 2. People ask me about what was the reason for the sell-off. I mean, it wasn't even anything substantial if you compare the movement in the range. But then, you know, what would be the reason? The reason is the market has not yet provided a clear indication that really a low has been established. So we are still in very, very fragile environment. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.